Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss about billing and invoicing business scenario. And please like and like my video and subscribe my channel so you'll get all the relevant information regularly. So we will discuss about billing and invoicing business scenario, budget billings, maintain billing master data, user rates in the master data, billing, invoicing, bill printouts, additional functions, discounts or charges, manual billings, sales statistics, special billing features. Billing invoicing business scenario. The following is involved in the billing and invoicing processes. Modeling new rates by creating new billing master data, using new rates in customers and installation master data, billing simulations, invoicing simulations, releasing the rates to the user departments, which then makes them available to the company customers. The business scenario contains all the work steps required for the initial creation of billing master data. The business scenario is the basis for the practical exercises that you will be doing during the course. Bill creation process. The bill creation process, meter reading, order creation, then according to meter reading order creation, billing order get created, meter reading order get created. Then we do the meter reading data entry. After that, billing order open and meter reading gets billable. Then we check the plausible meter reading results. We also check the implausible meter reading results. If meter readings get failed meter reading validation, then meter readings become the implausible meter readings. Then we do the correction of the meter reading results. Then we make the plausible. Then according to the billing orders, we do the billing. Then in the billing documents get created, and after that, after billing, we do the invoicing. In invoicing, print documents created. After that, we do the bill printouts. So all these are the billing creations process which we need to follow. Billing procedures. The following billing procedures are supported. Periodic billings is consumption billing carried out on a regular basis. Floating back billing is a form of monthly periodic billings. If necessary, values from previous month is in billing years are recalculated and back billed using a current value. Period end billing is carried out separately after a billing cycle. Periodic billings can, if necessary, be recalculated and back billed. Interim billings is not controlled by scheduling functions and can be carried out manually at any time upon customer request, for example. Final billing is triggered when a customer moves out. In the budget billing plan, an average amount is determined either by simulation or manually. The customer pays this average amount for a period of 12 months. At the end of this period, a new simulation is run for the next period. An average monthly billings equalized billing. The customer is charged an average amount based on over and billing over the next 12 months, unless in the case of new customer.